did that tweet about me saying there's two genders, I still stand by it. Whenever there's a gender reveal party, chat, either a pink powder comes out or a blue powder comes out. You can't scientifically, engineerily dissect and dismantle that there's two genders. You just can't do that, bro. You cannot do that. If I ever meet someone in person and I say, what's your name? Or does she want to come with us? And they say, I don't want you to refer to me as that. I'm gonna say, does she want to come with us? Bro, stop trying to do too much, bro. Straight up. I'm all for everyone being themselves and I love everyone. But stop, bro. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop.